Hi everyone, welcome to Suryani Silks. This is Nilufar Suryani. In today's episode, we'll be showing you how to fold a Kanchiram silk saree. Please don't forget to subscribe on our channel and hit the bell icon. Also stay tuned till the end of the video. We'll be giving you few tips. Let's begin. He'll be showing you how to fold the saree. This is a pure Kanchiram silk saree. If you want to place order for this saree or check out our latest collection, you can visit our website www.suryanis.in. Every saree has a unique code. For this saree, the code has been mentioned. You can enter the code on the search button of our website, or you can visit the link on the description below. Now we will be showing you how to fold a saree for longevity of the saree. It's a unique combination of orange and pink with gold zari weaving. All over on the body you get square buttas. Let's begin the process of folding the saree. You got to hold the end point of the saree and you need to catch hold of all the inner layers of the saree from the middle as shown in the video. Flip over the saree. Now you got to fold both the ends of the saree as shown. Fold this Kanchiram silk saree. In the next future, we'll be showing you how to drape different kind of sarees. Now I'll be giving you few tips how to take care of a Kanchiram silk saree. The first tip will be like you can dry clean your product every 3 months, and also you can keep a check of your saree by removing from the closet and open the saree and refold it, because you can see whether it's damaged or it's not damaged, and the grease you can change the fold. And the last point will be you can keep it in the cotton cloth so that it's away from the dust and dirt. If you want to see more collection, please do log on to our website, that is www.suryanis.in. You can also book a video call. Call us in a helpline number, that is 888-4040-499. Please don't forget to subscribe on our channel and hit the bell icon. Thank you.